There are many headlines tonight. The CDC formally issued guidelines that discourage Americans from wearing cloth masks, saying they offer the least protection. And surgical masks, KN95s and N95s, offer more. And beginning tomorrow, you will be able to order up to 8 at-home COVID tests a month, paid for by insurance. And starting Wednesday, Americans can visit this site, covidtests.gov, and order up to 4 free rapid tests per home. All of this to address the concerning Omicron surge, which has so many hospitals at a breaking point. Overall, hospitalizations now at a record high. And children, especially entering hospitals in numbers not seen before this pandemic. And that is where we begin. Kayna Whitworth is inside an overwhelmed pediatric ICU where doctors and parents have a plea tonight. Get your child vaccinated if you can.
Just turn her little life around.
Jackie Eadley is in the hospital holding her baby girl, Anisha. She's sick with COVID.
She was diagnosed with COVID on Wednesday. She has really high fevers. She has trouble breathing, and she will not eat her food.
She's not alone. An increasing number of parents are confronting the harsh reality of the toll COVID-19 is taking on America's children. 580,000 positive pediatric cases in just the past week. Doctors at Dayton Children's Hospital giving her baby an IV, trying to get fluids into the severely underweight infant.
That's crazy because she's a preemie, so it's like, is her body going to be able to fight this, you know? That's the first thing I'm thinking, like, is she going to be able to fight this? She's so small.
Jackie has 3 other kids, all boys, all at home, worried about their little sister.
My 2 oldest, they're all vaccinated for one, except my 2-year-old, so they didn't get really many symptoms. But my 2-year-old, he had fevers for a while, but they went away.
To date, Dayton Children's Hospital has only treated 1 vaccinated patient. They say that particular child had severe comorbidities. Nationwide, just 35% of children 5 to 17 are vaccinated. There's no approved vaccine for children under 5. Almost all of the kids admitted for COVID have been unvaccinated. Doctors say 2/3 of them also have underlying health issues and are experiencing respiratory distress.
But you can even see it in the faces of kids who can't even talk yet. You know, their eyes get really big and they, we watch them struggle to breathe.
10 to 20% of these kids end up in the ICU. They currently have 1 child on a ventilator.
Throughout the pandemic, you have never had this many COVID patients in your pediatric ICU.
Yeah, this is more than what we were getting before, yes.
By extreme numbers?
Yes, extreme numbers, yes.
Dr. Vipul Patel, the chief of pediatric intensive care, says he's working harder than ever.
So ICU is very busy. We have so many COVID patients coming in and out of the unit, and they're all critical.
They're all critical?
Yes, they're very critical. My concerning thing is that if they come early, we can save them. If they come late, it's very difficult to save them.
The chief medical officer at Dayton Children's, Adam Mezoff, is a father to 3 and a grandfather to 5. He's been doing this 40 years.
I have seen the illnesses that we now routinely vaccinate children for before they get to school, and I've seen the devastation those illnesses can cause.
COVID-19 related hospitalizations among children are hitting pandemic highs nationwide, quadrupling in the last month. Federal data showing that 880 COVID-19 positive children are being admitted to the hospital every day. Doctors in Dayton say at any given time since the end of December, around 20 kids are hospitalized at a time for COVID. Ohio currently has 300 children in the hospital. A toll on parents that is hard to imagine.
Yes, I am very scared. I am terribly scared, terribly scared.
When you look at her right now, what are you thinking?
I want her to get better. I want to be able to take my baby home, and I wish she didn't have this. I really do wish she didn't have this.
She says she has seen some improvement, but she still has a fever and trouble eating.
What do you want to say to parents out there that think that Omicron does not impact kids?
I'm letting you know it's true, it's real. Don't listen to what people say that it's not real.
That baby, just 8 months old. We hope she gets better. Thanks so much for that report, Kayna.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.